The National Institute of Health of Thailand, Department of Medical Sciences, is the national reference laboratory for medical sciences and public health, responsible for public health emergency preparedness and public health problem diseases. The institute also serves as a base for research conducted mainly in the areas of medical science and biotechnology. The National Institute of Health of Thailand was established in 1984. With support from the Japanese government through the Japanese International Cooperation Agency or JICA. Vision: to be the nation's reference laboratory for medical sciences and public health, and to develop knowledge and innovation in order to enhance good public health. Mission: conducting laboratory analysis and research in medical sciences, being the national reference laboratory with the following roles: to conduct active laboratory surveillance and provide public health warnings, to improve laboratory quality in detecting diseases, to provide academic knowledge and technological support to other laboratories and the public, to be the information center for diseases, toxicology, medical entomology and consumer protection, to be the bioresource center of microbial agents, clinical samples and insects. Organization structure: the National Institute of Health comprises the Administration Office, the Quality and Technical Development Group, the Medical Virology Group, the Clinical Immunology Group, the Medical Bacteriology Group, the Mycology and Parasitology Group, the Medical Entomology Group, the Laboratory Animal Center, the Toxicology and Biochemistry Group, the Clinical Genetics Group, the Central Diagnosis Group. Organization achievements: the important achievements of the Institute include successful in responding promptly to health hazards with advanced laboratory technology that rapidly and accurately diagnoses diseases. The Institute is able to respond promptly and appropriately to health hazards. The array of tests enable the diagnosis of Ebola, Zika, MERS, hand-foot-mouth disease, influenza, dengue and microbes that are considered potential biological warfare agents such as anthrax and plague. The reference diagnosis is conducted at the Central Diagnostic Unit or CDU and the reference laboratories. Improve the potentials of laboratory network. With the Institute's role as the public health laboratory, we have improved the potentials of the laboratory network, including the diagnostic methods, the equipments and the laboratory standards, as well as the sample transportation system. These successes have enhanced the laboratory diagnostic efficiency and the safety of the personnel on duty. The Institute's special roles in laboratory networks: assigned the Designated Receiving Area or DRA laboratory in hospitals dedicated to testing samples from patients suspected of suffering from serious threats. Such as diseases caused by Ebola and MERS-CoV virus. Currently, there are 26 DRA laboratories nationwide. In addition, the Institute also engages in other laboratory networks, such as the Emerging Infectious Diseases or EID Laboratory Network, the Antimicrobial Resistance or AMR Laboratory Network, and the Thai National Influenza Center. Setting the laboratory safety standards. The National Institute of Health has launched a security and safety management system in compliance with the International Health Regulations or IHR, the Global Health Security Agenda or GHSA, and other related laws, as well as the ISO 15189 Medical Laboratory Safety Requirements. The Institute has extended the security and safety management practice to laboratory networks nationwide through various trainings such as Training the Trainer Program. The Institute has transferred knowledge to regional medical science centers in order for the centers to transfer the knowledge to more than 500 hospitals under the center's supervision. Developing and distributing bio-risk management toolkit to laboratories nationwide and in neighboring countries that have requested the kit as a prototype development model. Improve the service innovation. The Institute has developed and improved the service innovation in order to meet with the client's expectations. Improvement of services for consumer protection. Implementing advanced and efficient technology to analyze more than 500 pesticide residues in vegetables and fruits for export. And conducting analysis of unknown poisons and toxic substances with international accredited high specificity test. Identifying poisonous mushroom through DNA barcoding has also been implemented. Improvement of services for infectious disease analysis, such as diagnosing human pathogenic bacteria using MALDI-TOF MS, an automated instrument for identification of bacterial species that delivers accurate, rapid and highly reliable analysis. Detecting Zika virus with a modern, fast and accurate method. Improve the analysis competency, develop techniques and speed in disease detection. Provide diagnostic services of infectious and non-infectious diseases and genetic disorders through more than 150 international standard tests as part of the consumer protection agenda and the disease prevention and control. The National Institute of Health has accelerated the quality and efficiency of laboratories in accordance with international standards. The laboratories are internationally accredited as follows: Certified ISO 9001, Certified ISO 15189, Certified ISO IEC 17025, Certified ISO IEC 17043, AAA LAC International. Deliver excellence in research and innovation. The National Institute of Health has succeeded in many research and development projects in various areas, including test method development. The Institute has achieved success in developing rapid diagnostic tests that enable simultaneous detection of various infections and drug resistance, as well as in developing alternative test methods to replace animal testing and appropriate analytical tests for important non-infectious diseases in Thailand. Publications. The Institute has constantly published research articles in various areas in both local and international journals. Test kits and disease prevention products. The Institute has invented test kits for many diseases that are of public health importance, such as leptospirosis test kit, as well as inventing vector control products such as Leotrap mosquito trap and zeolite mosquito larva eliminating sand. The products can be used to prevent and control diseases that are a public health problem, as well as reducing imported chemical products to reduce economic loss. In addition to the above research, the body of knowledge accumulated from the research and development is beneficial for disease surveillance and public warning. Researchers can also apply the knowledge to further their research. Besides the research products, the Institute has produced many publications such as Sample Collection, Safety Manual, Biological Safety Cabinet Users Manual, books on insects and infectious diseases, which are very useful for laboratories and the public. Reference laboratories accredited by the World Health Organization. Reference laboratories accredited by the World Health Organization under the National Institute of Health include the Polio Laboratory Network in the Southeast Asian region, the Measles and Rubella Laboratory Network in the Southeast Asian region, WHO Collaborating Center for Surveillance of Antimicrobial Resistance, Thai National Influenza Center, HIV Drug Resistance Genotyping Laboratory, Additionally, the National Institute of Health has academic collaboration and collaborative network with many international organizations, such as the World Health Organization or WHO, the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC, and organizations in Japan and Denmark. The National Institute of Health of Thailand is committed to continuously improving true operational excellence across all laboratories, in order to become a reliable reference on medical science for both domestic and international organizations. Become a trusted public support in both normal and emergency situations, as well as responding to new public health threats that require medical science investigation.